morning class, I'm Specialist He. I'll be today's primary instructor. I'll be giving you guys a class on locate an unknown point on the map and on the ground by intersection. So, your condition, you are a member of a squad or in a part of a team have a requirement to determine the location of the unknown point on the map. You have a 1 to 50,000 scale military map, a magnetic compass, a protractor, a pen, pencil, and a straight edge. There are at least 2 well-defined points that you can locate on the ground and that you can locate on the map. Some iteration of this test should be performed in Math 4, but because this is a class purposes, we will not be wearing Math 4. So the standard for this class is to determine the grid coordinates of the unknown point to within 100 meters. Include the 2 letter 100,000 meters square identifier using either the map and campus method or straight edge. I will teach you guys the map and campus method. So the risk assessment for today, the overall risk assessment is low. Watch out for ants, watch out for wildlife. Don't play with wildlife. If you see them, walk away from them. And in case of bad weathering, we're gonna shift to the building that way with a roof in a fashionable and speed manner. And all DoD personnel is responsible to preserve and protect the environment. Please, if you see something trash, pick it up and throw it into the trash bag. And this brief is unclassified. All right. So now at this time I will perform / demonstrate in a full combat speed for this task. this concludes my demonstrations. Now I'm going to explain step by step on how to perform this task. So intersection by the map and compass method is you move to a known point, which we have. For class purposes, we will mark the two known point, which is this point and this point. So we move to the known location, point A, right here, and we oriented the map straight facing north, and for class purposes, this way will be north. So we oriented the map by north already. And we locate and mark your position on the map. We already did. So now we're gonna use the military compass and determine the magnetic azimuth to the unknown position, which that way. And we shoot from the known point, the known position, to that unknown position. We'll put this down, and then we're gonna convert the magnetic azimuth to grid azimuth by subtracting 2 degrees, because map is different from magnetic azimuth. So we already did the grid azimuth, and we're gonna draw a line on the map from your position on this grid azimuth. So we need to draw a line from that azimuth, the grid azimuth we just got from the compass. Then we draw a straight line by connecting the dots. And now we're gonna measure, use a military compass. And now we're gonna use the compass, move to the second point. Move to the second point and determine the magnetic azimuth from that point to the unknown location we want to know. And we convert it into the grid azimuth and find our point. Then we connect the point. There, the intersection of the two lines is where is our unknown location. So now we're gonna determine the grids within 100 meters, which that means there will be 6 digits. So always remember, a quick hint, we read from right and up. So right here, it is 41. 41, and it is at 92. So we're gonna determine these by this handy dandy triangle right here, 1 to 50,000 meter ratio triangle. And that is where we got our third and sixth digits. 9, and it go up 9. And because the front, and by this time we are already at step number 8, we're gonna determine the two 100,000 meter identifier, which is GL, due to the fact that the front 3 numbers is less than 500. If it's more than 500, it will be FL. All right. Any questions? At this time, I will ask you guys to practice the task to locate an unknown point on the map and on the ground by intersection. Condition as a team member or a member of a squad, you have to require to determine an location of the map of the unknown point on the map. You have a 50,000 meter military map, a magnetic compass, a military protractor, pencil, and a pen. And then you have at least 2 well-defined points on the ground that you can locate on the map. The standard is to determine the grid coordinates of the unknown point within 100 meters. Then you're gonna identify the 2-letter 100,000 meter identifier using the compass, using the map and compass method. And right now, I'm gonna give you guys the equipment you needed. Right here. Remember, you need to be accurate, slow, read it carefully. Don't be scared by plotting the point. Be confident. Remember, north is always up, 0 always face front. Good job on using the compass. Remember to mark your intersections. Remember the two identifiers and how to determine which identifier you're using. Alright. You good to go? Alright. At this time, I will choose one of you to come up here and demonstrate, and I will grade you upon these demonstrations. Specialist Miranda, please come up. Please start your demonstration. All the equipment is right here. soldier, you finish your test? Yes. All right. Soldier, you are going all the steps. You are fully trained. Please sign right here. Sir, this soldier is fully trained and he's overqualified. At this time, can I have all the equipment back? Thank you. All right, so we're gonna conduct an AAR because we have finished our class for today. So what's supposed to happen?
Find an unknown point by intersection.
What happened?
We find an unknown point by intersection.
Sustainments and improvements.
Statement would be good instructor. Improvement would be a bigger map.
So to conclude the AAR, sustainment and improvement. One sustainment is good instructor, well-known knowledge. One improvement is to find a bigger map. And so to review our risk assessment, did anybody got bit by ants?
No.
Or got played with wildlife or got hurt by wildlife?
No.
Nope. And the weather is pretty nice today. Do I have all equipment back?
Yes.
All right, please call after yourself. We need to preserve and protect the environment. And this concludes my class. Thank you.